Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Shiba Inu with Crypto.com step by step clearly. Open the Crypto.com app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on the crypto icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through your list of cryptocurrencies to find Shiba Inu. Select Shiba Inu to enter the assets page. Tap on the send button to initiate a transfer. Choose whether to send to a wallet or another Crypto.com user. If you choose a wallet, ensure you have the correct wallet address. Copy the wallet address you wish to send Shiba Inu to. Return to the Crypto.com app and paste the wallet. Next, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you want to transfer. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If you're satisfied, tap Continue to proceed. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction via a one-time password or two-factor authentication. Complete the verification process as required. Finally, confirm the transaction by tapping the Send button. Your transaction will now be processed. You can monitor the status of your transfer in the app under your transaction history. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a notification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.